Yo, it's Shoulder 750. Good morning, good evening, good night. Hopefully everybody having a good day out there. Today in this video, real fast, I just want to make it like a nice quick little video. How I put the X4 up there. This is like, if you get the X4, you get all of this. Well, it depends on what package you choose. I chose the motorcycle package, which came with this, and that right there. These three things. And it give you a little charging thing too. But I'm gonna show you how I hooked it up. But I also found out that I could use this Cardo. I think that's the X3 or X4. This system right here to where I could hook that to that, and I can actually talk through it. And they say it's pretty clear. That's my today will be my first time like actually trying it. But let me show you. With this little clamp right here, all you have to do is, well, this is what I do. With the clamp, if you release that a little bit, you can turn it. You got like a little swivel on it. So just make sure you get a nice clamp, like a nice solid place to clamp it. Like boom. I mean, you don't want to over tighten it, but you definitely want it tight enough to where it don't come off. The boom pole, put it on. Make sure it's tight, and then you extend it however you like it. Another thing I forgot to tell you, this pole right here is actually invisible to that camera. Some of you probably already knew that, but pretty much it, y'all. Let me cut some of this off. All I need is just a small piece. Just cut it. Boom. Here. Zip tie right there. And then I got it right there with the little spongy thing. You can clip that off. Because if you don't clip that off, you will see it in the video. It will be sticking out and stuff. But that's pretty much it on that setup. Camera. This is the little protective thing that comes with it. All right. It's best to download the app. Boom. To connect it, all you do, you turn it on. It comes on real easy. See the blue light? Boom. Click connect. Then you gotta join. Put the code on this time. Safety first, y'all. ZX Panda actually put a website to where I can get some gear. So I'm about to get me some real motorcycle gear, because right now I think all I have is like dirt bike gloves. All right, we got that rear top fixed. But like I said, we're gonna head to Mr. Willie's shop. We at 182. I hope I didn't blow it there. All right, let's go. Yo, hey! I don't know if you can see it in the back, but baby girl want to lift up. Frankenstein, my bad, forgot that's a boy. Frankenstein want to lift up. All right, let's see what these rear brakes do. We're gonna hit the rear brakes a little aggressive. Let go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like, okay. Right. Yes, sir. All right. Thank you, sir. Be good. Excuse me. Can I scoot through there? Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
She out here, y'all. She out here riding for real. It showed the 750. Y'all, we put a lot of hard work in, y'all. And I say we, comments included. Thank you in the comments. Is another guy that did this exact same conversion. He did it way before I done it, but he's in another country. All right, heat hand is 194, but he's in another country. I'll put his page up here too. But I think he did it like on the 93, 94, 95 body style. Handling wise, this bike feels very good, y'all. I thank all my people that subscribe to me. I appreciate you. Y'all seen my beginnings? I didn't even know how to clean a carburetor. Now, we breaking bikes all the way down to the ground and putting them back together. Come on now. That's growth. And I will still say, it's still a lot for me to learn. Stay humble at all times. Do the work to it. We ain't gonna do too much. We outside though. We got tags on them. Legit. I'm not even gonna race this car. Yes, I am.